City of mine, how I love, how.
Hey, Rosharon real estate relatives. They're building. The boys and girls are building. Hey, real estate relatives. In this video, we're going to share with you all the information that we have about what is being built on Julef Manville Road, as they're now calling Hague Road. I don't even know what that's about, but we're going to get into that and more in this video.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Canterra Creek. Located on Julef Manville, just off of FM 521 and only 20 minutes from the Texas Medical Center, Canterra Creek is where life will truly begin, where homeowners can slip into an affordable home built by 3 of Houston's leading builders and enjoy all the perks of a master plan community. This community will have easy access to Highway 288 and an array of amenities, including, you ain't heard this from me, but including a nearby heated lazy river that will be opening summer 2024. I can't wait to give you all of this information. Let's jump into it. Now, it may not look like much right now, but please believe when I tell you that when this is all said and done, this is going to be one of the most beautiful master plan communities in our area. And just don't take my word for it. Let me show you. The new development of Canterra Creek will be situated on about 380 acres, and there will be about 850 homes that have been planned for the first phase. Again, the 3 builders that have been slated to bring homes to the community are Tri-Coast, Lennar, and Castle Rock. We want to make sure that you keep it locked here on this channel for future videos, as we will be walking you through all of the floor plans that those builders plan to bring. Now, the homes here in Canterra Creek will be priced from the $200,000 price point up to $500,000, and sales have already started in this community. You see the numbers on the screen, all the information on the screen. We want you to use that information to reach out to us if you have any questions on floor plans, if you have questions on the area, on the schools. We can provide you with all of that, and we want to be your homegirls. Now let's get back into the details. So according to all of the information that I've been able to research, the planned amenities for Canterra Creek include a swimming pool, play fields, a playground, a covered pavilion, and a splash park. If you're not doing so already, take a look at your screen right now so that you can see the renderings of just how beautiful this is going to be. Okay, come a little closer because I want to kind of tell you this in a voice that's just above a whisper, because I know it's going to make a lot of folk mad, but residents in Canterra Creek, in addition to having their own amenities in Canterra Creek, will also have access to the new amenities in Sierra Vista, which are currently under construction. Yup, don't get mad at me. I'm just a messenger. I'm just telling you what the people told me, okay? Want more reasons to live in Canterra Creek? Well, the lot sizes in Canterra Creek will range from 45 feet to 60 feet in width, and the home's square footage will start at 1,800 and go up to 3,600 square feet. In addition to that, all of that, the community will be zoned to Alvin Independent School Districts.
All that I crave when you're away, nights asleep.
Do you hear what I hear? And do you see what I see? Well, I hear that the streets are talking, and I see what the streets are talking about. The streets are in the Canterra Creek community. And so you know what that means. If the streets are in, then the selling begins. Let's find your new home. One of the biggest regrets I'll have when it comes to Canterra Creek is that I was unable to capture footage of how many loads of dirt they brought into the place. So as you can see right now on your screen, you see how high the home site sits compared to the street. The saying, life is full of surprises, was so true, especially on this trip to Canterra Creek, when I discovered that the back of Canterra Creek leads to the back of Caldwell Ranch. So as you can see on this visit to Canterra Creek, I was able to access the back of Caldwell Ranch and then go through Southern Colony and back to FM 521. This was a great surprise for me because now I know that in some of those really tight, highly trafficked areas on FM 521, I can take this back road. As of right now, I've not been able to ascertain whether there will be some type of barrier, either a fence or a gate that would separate Canterra Creek from Caldwell Ranch in the future. But for right now, it's wide open. So I suggest, go ahead and use it to kind of help you stay out of some of that traffic on FM 521.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.
Rosharon is growing, and in next week's video, we're going to give you all of the information that we have regarding this roadway expansion. Keep it locked here on this channel so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any other questions, please know that we have other videos on this channel and they're all related to Rosharon and Iowa Colony. You can also drop down in the comment section and sound off there. We want you to know that at the beginning and end of the day, we are your Rosharon resource and we are always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Bye-bye.